Hey everybody, welcome to Sean's Garage. Today in the garage, lots of progress on the car. Working on the interior right now, trying to get that all wrapped up. Managed to get the carpet done on the back to finish it off, so covering the wheel tubs and the rear firewall. Got the passenger seat set in place. Started to get the rear Lexan windows in place, and yeah, so a bunch of different things going on. So let me show you what we've done. Okay, so got passenger seat. We're starting to get that set up, and that ties to the roll bar at the back there. And we've got brackets that come off the back of these Mastercraft seats. And then in the back, so we got the carpet kit, got the rest of the carpet added on. And you can see where the stock carpet kit basically finishes off, and ended up adding that back part. And then now have the back end of the cars pretty much coming to completion. So taillights are in, rear trim is in, got our master switch, taillights, and then battery box, fuel cell. So this Lexan window, which was original on the car when I got it, for now I've just polished it up as best I could, and got it mounted back in place with new rubbers. So I have all new weather stripping that's going on the car. And so next is going to be to get the other seat in. I've got to work on getting door panels and getting rear quarter inside panels done. To get the other Lexan window in. So still lots on the to-do list, but continue to make really good progress on the car. Pretty soon, once we get back into installing cool stuff, I will do some more filming and show you guys as the motor and trans goes in. Possibly even as we start to get the power windows and power locks set up in the car. We'll show you that. And this is the driver's side seat. Just gonna get ready to put the bracketry on that and get it back in the car. And that is about it. That's the update for now. So just a quick video to show you what's going on. And stay tuned as we bring you more of the build.